All morning, we've been watching beautiful, classic Volkswagen buses pouring into the lot. Over 200 buses and their owners. Love for the bus. I don't know how a vehicle can be humble and awesome at the same time, but this one pulls it off.
Our first annual International Volkswagen Bus Day is officially on.
It's great to be here in Huntington Beach for the global debut of the 3-row ID Bus.
Today, we pass the torch to the next generation. The ID Bus is the motor version of the microbus, reimagined for the electric future. Practical, sustainable, packaged in a fun way that is a classic Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.